Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tectonic. On my channel today I'm going to explain you basics of Python. In basics of Python friends, I'm going to explain you today how to create variables and how to use variables in Python on editor. So friends, this we have already done like in Java we know how to create variables, but today again I'm going to explain you how to create variables. What do you mean by variables in Python? So first of all, I'm just going to explain you why we create variables, why it is important. See friends, variable means a kind of a space which we have booked in the memory, which we have, have fixed in a memory, which we can use to keep our numbers to process the values or the variables for any calculation. So this is known as variable. For example, here you can see this is my memory, and in my memory I just want to fix few blocks where I can keep some data and I can use it. Same as I'm just going to create here some block, like this is first block, second block, and here I can say like the first block, the name of the first block is A. The name of the first block is A, and I'm just going to keep some value in this. I'm just going to increase the font size, and here this is A, so this is my variable. Same as I can say like I'm having one more variable whose name is B, and this is again my a variable where I'm just going to keep some value. Same as I'm having one more variable like C. So this is all about variable means when you are booking some space in a memory which you can use for your purpose, like you can keep the value, you can use for calculation, you can apply some calculation, you can keep answer on some other block. So this is just when you create a block, when you book a space in a memory, that is known as variable. Now friends, the variable you need to declare here in Python. Like in Java, if we compare, in Java we just used to write the name of the data type and then we need to write the name of the variable. But in Python it is quite different. Like here we don't need to specify the data type direct, we just need to write the name of the variable and then we can fetch the value. For example, here you have taken one variable as A, B, C, and here you directly you just can write A is equal to 5 and 5 will be here inside this box, inside this variable. So the thing is that like Python is quite different from Java. Like I'm just going to compare from Java because on my channel I have taught you Java first, and now I'm going to explain you Python, like how to work on Python. I'll be teaching you guys basic Pythons, like how to create variable, how to use variable, how to use if, how to use loop, how to use functions, also lists also we will be talking about, and many different things like which you can use for your basics. Even after basics I'll be starting advanced Python also, where I'll be teaching you machine learning and many different things on my channel only Tectonic, a tonic of technology. So this is all about variable. The difference is that in Java we need to write data type and then we need to write the name of the variable, then we are fixing it, when we are putting a value inside a variable and we can use it. But here in Python guys, you don't need to write any data type direct. You can write here A, like any variable you can write here direct and then you can start working on it. So guys, here you can see I'm just writing a is equal to 2. I'm putting semicolon. I'm just coming to the next line, writing a b is equal to 3. I'm just keeping everything in C. Just C is equal to a plus b. It is same. It is similar. Always remember whatever programming language you learn as a basic of the things will remain same. Only syntax, logics, or the way of writing will go change, and different features are the features are different in Java. Few features are different in C++. You will get to know some other things are available in ASP.NET, and then few things are available in J2EE. So it's like the calculation or the way of doing calculation or the coding is similar. Just like you just need to learn syntaxes and the features which we have in different programming languages. So guys, here you can see I'm just writing a C is equal to a plus b. Now here we don't write system.out.println, as we know that in Java we were writing system.out.println for console, but here we just need to write here print, and then we need to open here bracket. Inside bracket we can write in double inverted comma answer is, and then if you want, see, if you write answer is, you will be getting answer is, and then you can write here comma and C, so you will be getting here answer is and then the value of C. But many other things like if you just want to print your hello world, guys, so it is so simple. You just need to write here print and you need to write here hello world. So we don't need to do anything. I'm just coding here, or on this console. This is a shell, actually Python 3.4.4 shell. You can download it very easily from internet. And print hello world, when I'm writing, I just need to put semicolon. Always remember, terminator is very important in Python. So whenever you're writing any code at the end, you need to write terminator and then hello world. You can see here. One more thing, guys, whatever the variables I have taken here, I can use it one more time. I don't need to declare it again and again. I don't need to initialize it again and again. Just like, once I have declared, I can use it. I'm just going to write here print, and in C, whatever value I'm having C, I'm just adding up, 3 in that C. So whatever value I'm having C, like last value you can see is 5. 5 plus 3, it is 8. So it's up to you. Or one more thing, like for example, if you want to write any name, like here we don't have any data type, so it's up to you what value you need to keep in a data type. But remember, calculation depends on the value only. Like if you're using a string, so remember, like you have given a string in the variable, so calculation also should go accordingly. And if I'm writing here hello, like in A, I have written hello, I'm putting terminator and I'm just writing here print. When I'm opening a bracket, I just need to write here A plus, and I can write in double inverted comma hello world. So hello will be merged with this, and you will get to know here hello world. You can give here a space also. If you give here a space, like you can copy it, guys. Even if you want, you can copy it. It is so simple. Like you just need to click and you can just drag, you can copy. When you come to next line, you just need to paste. So when you paste here, you can edit it also. Space, you can add a space before world, and here you can see it's hello world. So this is how, guys, you can multiple, you do whatever you want. It is so simple. Like print, you just need you can write here a multiple b, and then come at the end, like whatever value you have given already, like a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, you have already given. What you need to do is you just can write a multiple b, and then you will get the answer. So like, guys, here I have given hello to A, and that is the reason it is multiplying, A with B, and B I'm having 3. So that is the reason you're getting 3 times hello. So I just need to change the value. That's it. I don't need to do anything. B value I have not changed. B is still 3. So this you need to remember, guys. Here you can see A was 2, but here I have changed the value of A is hello, and that is the reason you are getting this output. But if I'm changing A is equal to 7, and then if I'm writing like print, opening a bracket, and then if I'm writing like A multiple b terminator, so here you can see it is 7 cross 3, 21. So guys, it is it is very simple. You can do multiple operations here. Like if you want to compare two numbers, so that is also possible. Like a value I have already changed, which is 7. Here you can see I have changed the value of a, that is a, if a is greater than b. So here conditions also can be done very easily. But the way of writing is just different. You just need to learn the syntaxes. Like in Java, we used to write in bracket a is greater than b, and then we need to open braces. But here we are putting colon, and when we come to the next line, we need to write here print, open a bracket. If a is greater than b, if the condition is true, then definitely you just need to write here a is greater. And if it is not, then you need to put terminator. You need to come to the next line. You need to go to the next line, and here you need to write else, put colon, come to the next line, and here you need to write the second condition. So second condition, I'm just going to write here b is greater, coming out from the bracket, putting semicolon, come to the next line, hit enter key. So here you can see, guys, here a, the value of a is 7, which is actually greater than 3. So here you will be getting here like a is greater. So guys, Python is easy. It is not difficult. It is so simple. Like if you are learning Java, and then if you want to learn Python, if you want to switch from Java to Python, they see the basics will remain same. The concepts, everything will remain same. What you need to learn is the different way of writing, the style, the syntaxes, and different features available here. So guys, this is all about, Python basic class. In this basic class, I have explained you how to create variables, how to operate, how to control the variables, how to perform different operations using variables. I've explained you how to put a string into the variables, how to operate. Then I've also explained you how to use if, how to compare the values, how to write if else. Same as if you want to write here one more statement, you just come to the next and you can continue. Like here, we don't need to open curly braces. We just can write next to next line. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. If you're interested, you just like my channel, subscribe my channel, click on notification bell, so that you will be getting the notifications regarding the same videos or remaining tutorials. In my next video, I'll be explaining you like how to create functions in Pythons, and I'm just going to explain you about arrays also if possible. Otherwise, my main focus will be on functions. As I've already explained you here, the variables, how to use if, control F, if possible. So I'll be explaining you in my next class, like how to use function, how to create function, how to call function, how to pass the values into the function in different ways, along with switch case. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Keep coding. Thanks.